Hello and welcome to my poetry channel. This is Martha Wright, and I do have a poem today from my book, How the Movie Saved My Life and Other Themes, 1961 through 2017, which is on Amazon. And this was maybe, I feel like, one of the first good poems I wrote in my life. In Yosemite, I wrote this. Mountain River. The water is a living jewel, set in the rock, refracting prisms upon prisms, a kaleidoscope of living light, a mirror to the tree, sky, sun, quicksilver to moon and stars, a living jewel I will wear in my heart forever.